Are you looking for a killer dish with a kick of hotness that will wow even your mom? Then this video is for you. It's been 71 days since the planting begins, so look at this now, it's already good for harvesting. Long beans are exactly what it sounds like. It's just a super duper long beans. It has more crunchier texture and thinner than regular green beans. Despite the long beans are so popular for the food, we're sure not everyone knows about the nutritional value as well as the nutrients found in these vegetables. In fact, long beans have vitamins and minerals also are quite high, which is also beneficial to health, such as various vitamin C complex, source of protein, contain high fiber and contain calcium.
So ngayon, mag-harvest na tayo ng itinanim nating long beans. Harvest nating long beans.
Anyways, today is an amazingly delicious dish recipe. Spicy stir-fried long beans. It makes me mouth-watering. So let's get started. Go ahead and chop all the ingredients and mix the sauce. This way, when you are cooking on the high heat, you don't need to reduce heat to find where is the sauce or trying to chop. Ingredients: you will need cooking oil, oyster sauce, pepper, Maggi magic syrup, powdered chili, sugar, garlic, onion, ground beef, and of course, long beans. Procedure in cooking: in a small mixing bowl, combine oyster sauce, Maggi magic syrup, powdered chili, pepper, and sugar. Get a spoon or anything you have and stir it well. And set aside. Heat the pan over high heat. Add oil if heated. Then add in the ground beef. Cook the ground beef until you've got the beautiful brown shear and enough oil is released. Add chopped garlic and onion. Stir fry until it caramelizes and you can smell the fragrance. Before the garlic and onion get burned, pour the half of the sauce mixture. Give it a quick stir. Then add long beans and the remaining sauce and stir. It looks like a little dry and in a minute it will burn. So add a little water. Now, cover with the lid. After a few minutes, take off the lid and stir fry until crisp, tender, and the moisture is evaporated. Tada! Take it off from the heat and serve. Look at this dish. It's finger-licking good. I recommend you to serve it with white rice. Enjoy!
So let's go ask my mom if is it a wow or a boo. Let's go! Mama! Is it a wow or a boo? Wow.
Okay, bye.